guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we're going to be cleaning this messy closet that is my 6-year-old daughter's. We have neglected it for way too long now. The top part is manageable, but her bookcase and the bottom of her closet, the floor of her closet, is just out of control. So we are going to start by taking everything out. Okay, there we go. The closet floor is cleared out. I just have this that I'm gonna pull out here in a second. But would you look at all the stuff that was just on her closet floor? Like, this is ridiculous. This is so much stuff. Why am I a toy hoarder? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is sort everything into either a donate bag or a sell bag, and then I have these little bags here just in case I need to do it in like subcategories for little items. And this is going to take a long time because like in some of these bins there's like a lot of little toys and stuff. I'm gonna go through each and every little thing and sort it right now, and then I'm not gonna get it on camera because that is gonna take so long, but I'm gonna sit here, watch my show, and do some sorting. I have my little helper here going through things she wants to keep. She's pulling it all out. Oh, okay, because we're gonna sell that, and then she's gonna go through this mess too of things she wants to keep, and then I know, we're getting you a new Barbie house. And then, while she's in here, I'm going to go through her clothes and see if anything doesn't fit her. I'm going to ask her if she wants me to keep it for her or not. If it's something like this, I don't think she'll ever wear this. So I'm just going to double check with her, and that's the next step. Well, guys, here's the progress. Haley's been in here playing the whole time I've been working on this, so needless to say, it's kind of a cluttered mess. But that's how it always is whenever I'm working on organizing something. It's like a bunch of chaos before I can get it all looking nice and neat. So, yeah, I'm going to continue working on, and hopefully I'll be done within the next 2 hours. And this is the pile of stuff that I'm getting rid of. And now I'm going to wash down the walls in her closet. I have a magic eraser that I'm trying to get off as much as I can, little scratches here and there. And I'm spraying it with my favorite lavender spray from Mrs. Meyer's. And I'm wiping it down with an old sock that doesn't have a match. I do that quite often, but I vacuumed it out, and now I'm going to be placing everything back in. Hey guys, it's the next day, and I'm going to start working on Haley's closet again. The next thing we have to do is her bookshelf. I'm going to pull out all these books and go through them one by one and make sure I only keep enough that will fit on the shelves in here. So let's get to it. Alright, here's all the books. Now I'm going to go through them and get rid of any that aren't like age appropriate for Haley. I'll make sure to save her most favorite ones, and then I'm going to clean out this really good, wipe it down, and put the books back in. So these are the books that I'm going to get rid of. Now I'm going to use my e-cloth that I recently got in the mail. Just get it, there's my daughters. Just get it wet. You don't need to use any cleaner, and I'm going to use it to wipe down these shelves. And here is the after, y'all. Look how much more space she has in this top shelf. I even have room to put her jewelry. Like that has her bracelets, and this has some other makeup and odds and ends. Yeah, so it looks so much better. You'll probably use it more now too, right?
Yes. What do you get when you cross a snowman with a vampire?
I don't know. What do you get?
Frostbite.
Okay, finished product. Sure does look a lot better than before. It would not be a Clean with Cassie video without some laundry to fold and put away, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm spraying our bed with this Caldrea Rosewater Driftwood Linen and Room Spray. It smells so good. Now it's time to clean this dirty bathroom, and I'm just going to be wiping down the counters real quick. Getting new countertops in here is on our list of things to do and remodel in our home, and I actually bought 2 gold mirrors to put above each sink, so I'm going to be doing a whole separate video on our bathroom makeover soon. Okay, now I'm just going to start cleaning our front living room. There's just a lot of clutter here and there, so I'm going to pick it up. Let me know in the comments if anybody else has boxes in their home that become a toy for their children days upon end. This here was Haley's boat for a couple days, and it seems inevitable when we have a big box in our house, we don't throw it away for a while because the kids love playing with them so much. And here is our kitchen. It just needed a bunch of tidying up and had to do the dishes. Oh my gosh, this cute little puppy of ours. I can never do the dishes without her right up in the mix trying to lick anything she can. So my husband actually had cleaned this back living room of ours, so I did not need to clean it. He's really good about helping clean around the house, but I just thought I'd show you guys And he also had cleaned the basement earlier in the day too, so I didn't have to clean down here either. Haley's toy area was a play in progress, so I let her keep it as it was because she wasn't done playing there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe here if you are new, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.